Hi guys, it's Gav here from DancePlanet.tv. We are now heading over to the Bird family. They think that we're going over for a bullseye challenge, but we're going over for something totally different. We are going to do the bullseye challenge, but we've also got 4 of these, Dance Planet TV and Dartwolf, as a gift for them. It's going to be an absolutely crazy surprise. You know, stay tuned, watch it till the end of the video and watch their faces. This is insane. Here we are, we're at the Bird's house. The manager is here. Here you sponsor Jack and
Harry.
Harry, yeah?
Yep.
Awesome. So how long have you been doing that for now?
6 months or so, I'm guessing.
They're getting really good, aren't they?
Yeah, they're really good.
And they're dedicated.
Yeah,
That's the main
practicing,
thing.
yeah.
Yeah. And you hit some big averages, I hear, the other night.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's exciting. Yeah. What averages did you get?
29 average and a 35 average.
Did ya? Wow, that's incredible. Well, I've got a couple of bits here to give you. Should we go through? What I've got here is, if you come over here, these are some t-shirts that you got. So these are the medium and I'm the real Dartwolf. But I've actually come here today as a little gift from me and Dartwolf as well. So I've got an envelope to give you all here. I want you to open them up.
Okay.
And see what you think. So you can see a still bit of Dartwolf. There you go, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Let us know what you think. So this is from Dart Planet TV and Dartwolf, guys. So hopefully you like it. Obviously don't shout it out until you've all read them.
Really?
Yes.
Cheers.
Yeah, seriously.
Oh my god!
What do you think of that?
Oh my god!
Come in.
Oh my god!
It's going to be awesome, guys. We are going to have the best time ever.
Thanks.
Oh my god, that's
Pleasure.
amazing. Thank you so
It's going to be
much.
absolutely incredible. So like I said, it's all going to be sorted. I need to take your names before I go today, your date of birth. Obviously, you have to make sure that you can all go. What to surprise you. So it's going to be amazing.
Absolutely.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this video out a bit later on. And then you can tell everybody, I want to get it out on video. Because we've been planning this for a while. So I had to make sure you was all in. And
Oh my god!
Yeah, absolutely. Take my passport.
Jesus.
Can we go to Peter Bar?
Thank you so much.
pleasure. I don't know if there's any message you want to tell Dartwolf.
Oh, Dartwolf, you're just. Oh,
Thank you ever so
thank
much.
you so much. It's
It's
amazing.
such an experience.
Oh, jeez.
We're going to have
Thank
so much fun. It's going to be awesome.
Thank you,
Thank
Dartwolf.
you. Thank you, Dartwolf.
It's going to
Unbelievable.
be unbelievable. Calm down now from the news and different things. We've been playing some darts. How are you feeling now that you're all gone now?
It's insane.
Exciting,
Yeah.
just
Absolutely insane.
It is so cool,
Still
isn't it?
goosebumpy.
Yeah, it's lovely. And I think there's what are you most looking forward to? Obviously, you know, somewhere's New York, but you wanted to go to
New
for sometimes for your
York's-
40th, did you say?
I wanted to go for my 40th, but never got there. So I said to him, I said 50th, I said I'm going to New York.
So Dartwolf saved your husband a little bit of money. That's why he's smiling.
Yes,
Dartwolf.
thank you, Dartwolf.
So yeah, so it's going to be absolutely brilliant. And obviously we're going to see all the sessions of darts. What did you think was in the envelopes? Did you have any ideas at all?
Had no idea. Absolutely
idea.
no idea, not a clue.
So obviously we had this news and the big surprise today, and I've known about it for a while over at the Bird family and that. I was asked by Dartwolf to actually send their names and also their date of birth while I was here. Straight away an email's come through, so this is going to be more real for you guys now. I'm now about to show you. This has come through as you guys all booked in to go to New York.
Oh my god.
And you are staying in the New York Marriott, which is the one that we're in
Hey!
Times
Cool.
Square.
Awesome.
So there are your tickets. You guys are officially all booked in and coming to New York. I'm going to forward these all on to you. You're going to need to
Oh my
sort your
God.
visas out. You're going to need to
Okay.
sort obviously your passports and everything.
Yep.
But yeah, Dartwolf is an absolute legend.
Legend.
You're all booked.
Absolute legend.
Thank you, Dartwolf.
Oh,
There you
thank
go.
So no worries.
so
So
much.
Thank
give us
you.
a hug,
Thank
give us
you
a
so
hug,
much.
guys.
Oh, man.
It's going to be
Thanks
so
so
cool.
much.
It's going to be epic.
Oh, thanks, Gav.
Yeah,
Thanks,
pleasure.
Dartwolf.
Cheers,
Cheers,
buddy.
mate. Thank you ever so much.
Pleasure. Dartwolf, you're an absolute legend. I'll forward them on all the details and we'll get you loads of footage.
Thank you,
Oh,
Dartwolf.
thanks,
Thank you.
Dartwolf.
I'm just phoning Laura. She couldn't be here today because she's been really, really poorly. So they know the news. There's Mum there now.
Hello! Oh my god! Can you believe it? No!
Absolutely
Oh my
buzzing.
god, it's amazing!
So surreal.
Oh my god.
I'm so gutted I couldn't be
I
there.
know, we're gutted you couldn't be here too.
I just said you had a really bad seizure, but they're absolutely buzzing. And Dartwolf
so
has
excited.
already booked the tickets.
See?
Ticket.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
oh no! Oh my god!
It's been
How are
crazy.
you feeling?
To start off with, I couldn't actually stop shaking. Then like, oh my god, it's just like, it's a dream, absolute dream. I couldn't believe it, Laura. Just,
What do you think, boys?
Excited? Yeah, excited.
oh jeez.
New York,
Here
baby.
we are, here we are.
Stop Nanny's here.
Hey, my mum's on there. My mum's in New York.
But I'm just so, oh God, I've been like saying earlier, have you told them yet? Have you told them yet?
Yeah.
And I've just had to ignore your messages, Susan. Say something wrong. So I've just had to pretend that I'm not on Twitter and I haven't tweeted to anybody or anything.
It's just the biggest buzz. And they're coming around tomorrow night to do the bullseye challenge and that as well.
Are you coming tomorrow night?
Yeah.
We can't quite get it set up right here, so we're going to do it tomorrow.
Brilliant. How are you feeling?
Yeah, unreal. Can't get my head around it.
You can definitely come.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah,
100%.
absolutely.
Yeah, we're coming.
We're there.
Yep. I just.
I can't wait to see you tomorrow night.
No, me too. Me too.
You all.
Okay.
Cheers, darling. Bye.
See
See
ya.
ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Are you the Dartwolf, Harry? No. It's definitely not you, and we don't know about it. No. Not any chance? No. And there's Jack in the orange making darts look sexy. Adam will be pleased to see that one, mate. Well, listen, thank you so much for having us all over today. We've had an absolute blast. Obviously, couldn't do the bullseye challenge, had a few issues with the cameras, but you guys are going to come over tomorrow night and we're going to get the bullseye challenges done with Jack and Harry. So we're looking forward to that as well. Right, so we've just left the Birds' house. You've seen their reaction. They're going to New York with us. It's all so surreal. At Dartwolf, keep making all these dreams come true for people. They're absolutely buzzing. I know he said that when we leave, they're all going to scream, but you could see by their reaction. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's made my day. I've known for a good few days that this is happening. What a blast. Did you enjoy it, guys?
Yeah.
So much fun. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll catch you all next time. Cheers, guys. Bye.